Did you know? In the last 10 years, over $150 billion of Bitcoin alone has been lost or stolen because of seed phrase mismanagement? A 12 or 24 word seed phrase is used to recover a regular hardware or software wallet. But as you can see, seed phrases are not secure. Unlike a vulnerable seed phrase, your Zengo wallet is powered by institutional grade MPC cryptography instead. With over 1 million Zengo wallets since 2019, zeros have been hacked, phished, taken over, or drained. Instead of a vulnerable seed phrase, it uses a secure recovery kit to make sure you can always access and recover your Zengo wallet. You will need the following 3 items to set up your secure recovery kit. Number 1, your email address. Number 2, your Zengo recovery file, securely stored in your iCloud, Google Drive, or Dropbox. Number 3, something you are. 3D face lock, which is an encrypted biometric verification scan of your face. While this factor is not mandatory, it is highly recommended, especially if you are securing significant assets in your Zengo wallet. This is how to set up and back up your recovery kit. You should have already gone through the email verification process, which we explained in another video, how to set up your Zengo crypto wallet. Tap on the security icon in the bottom corner of the app, then tap on Recovery Kit. Here, now it's time to create your recovery file. Choose between iCloud Drive, Google Drive, or Dropbox. We recommend you sync the recovery file in as many of these locations as possible. Follow the process and done! Your recovery kit is successfully created. It's that simple. Now, you can decide if you want to add another layer of security by activating 3D face lock. Here, this step is optional, but we strongly recommend that you take advantage of this additional layer of security. Now, if you lose your phone or upgrade to a new one, you can always securely recover your Zengo wallet. No seed phrase required. Follow these steps. Open Zengo and input the same email you used to create your wallet the first time. Confirm your email by tapping on the magic link in your mailbox. Make sure you're doing this on the same device as your Zengo wallet. Lastly, pass 3D face lock if it has been previously set up as part of your recovery kit. That's it. Your wallet is recovered and ready for use. Thank you for choosing Zengo. Questions? Don't forget, you can always chat with our legendary customer support team 24/7 directly inside your Zengo wallet.